Pam, you have had your teeth done here at Staples Dental Practice. Do you still remember how you felt when you came to us, to the dentist, for the first time?
Yeah, and I will never forget, because I was at a point of thinking, what will happen if I never go back to a dentist ever again in my life? I was terrified.
You were terrified?
I was terrified.
Because of your previous experiences?
Yes, I was due to have my 6-monthly checkup at St Elsewhere's and couldn't face it.
Okay, that bad.
Yeah.
And then you actually came to see us, and we actually realized that there was quite a lot of work that needed to be done. But you end up having it done. And how do you feel about it now?
Fantastic. Proud, amazed, no fear whatsoever. No, I'm just so, it's the best thing I've ever done.
What do you feel had changed? Because obviously you've been to dentists before in the past. How do you feel this experience was different?
I think this was totally different because it was accepted that what was going on in my mind was real. I wasn't made to feel silly, foolish about it, embarrassed about it, and it all became part of my treatment to look after the psychological side, as well as what goes on between my nose and chin.
So you felt actually that you felt less anxious about the treatment or so? Because obviously you had the treatment done, that's what's still doing the dentistry. But it seems that the anxiety for the treatment, I mean, you've ended up having quite a bit of treatment in the end.
Loads of treatment in the end, yeah.
But you seemed absolutely fine with it.
Because I felt understood and supported, and I felt as though the whole team knew how I was feeling. It's extraordinary.
That's a very nice thing to say, so I want to thank you about that. And I hope you felt this sort of was worthwhile for you, that you also feel more relaxed about going to the dentist now.
Yeah, and I just wish that I'd found you years ago. I think it's just such an exceptional place. It's not like anywhere that I've ever been in all my 64 years.
Thank you very much. That is a very nice thing. Pam, you've